Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 16th question of the algebra chapter. So question says absolute value of x is greater than x and you have that quadratic in x, you have to find x. So first of all, if absolute value of x we know is either equal to x, this is what when x is greater than 0. Absolute value of x is equal to 0. This is when x is equal to 0, and absolute value of x is equal to minus of x. This is when x is negative, which is x is less than 0. Now if I have been given that absolute value of x is greater than x, okay, what does this mean is that absolute value, then x has to be a negative number, okay, otherwise it is not possible, okay, because if x is positive then absolute value of x and x should be equal to the same thing. Even if x is 0, then absolute value of x is also 0. Then also these are the same things. Only when x is negative, this is true. Okay. If you want to check, you can take x as minus 2. If you take x as minus 2, absolute value of x will be equal to 2. And if you look at it, then absolute value of x is greater than x now. Because absolute value of x is 2 and x is minus 2. So from this statement, we conclude that x is negative. So what we have figured out is that x is negative. Also x is satisfying a quadratic. So quadratic is what? 6x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is 6x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Yeah, that is the quadratic. So I have to split the middle term in such a way that the product is minus 36 and they add up to minus 5. So if I do minus 9 and plus 4, that should help. So it becomes 6x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, because minus 4 plus minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5 and minus 9 times 4 is minus 36, which is 6 into minus 6. So over here I'll take 3x as common. So this becomes 2x minus 3. Over here I take 2 as common. So again it becomes 2x minus 3. Okay. So this becomes 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here I get x is equal to minus 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Now we know that x is negative, so it cannot be 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 option is ruled out. The only option remain is x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 over here is the right answer. Okay, that's how we solve this question.